Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition, yo. Hustle every day, me no waste time.
It is just brushing 6 a.m. We're about to go on a nigger run. We have a family dinner today, and I decided to vlog for you guys. It's the first day in 2021. This is officially the first video you guys are seeing from me for 2021, and I just wanted to say Happy New Year. I hope all your dreams and your wishes come through for this year, and I just wish you guys all the best. And I'm super hyped, but I can't be hyped because it's still early and people still are asleep. I'll show you guys my outfit when it light out. I'm in my room. We are about to leave out to go to Negril. West, we'll go west. Somewhere west we'll go. I'm not 100 sure. But I decided that I wanted to vlog for you guys today. Today is like a little New Year's family dinner. And just one of those chill vibes, you guys know. I don't know, the Shreps, gang. I hope to bring you guys more consistent content this year. Just, you know, better quality videos, and I'm just trying to put my best foot forward for you guys because I want my channel to really take off this year. So, bye baby. Without hesitation, guys, do your girl the hugest favor. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and just stay tuned because this vlog is about to be fire. I don't know why that one eyelash acts are brand new. Like, calm your ass down, son. Stayed up until like 3 a.m. to do my nails. Like, period poo. Okay. Natural Glam by Taya on the nail services this year officially. So yeah, I'm just really excited for what the year has to offer. And I have 29 minutes on my phone. I'm hoping I can make this work for a really cool vlog for you guys. So yeah, must soon come. Sleep, I were sleeping.
You would have killed that thing. Yeah.
Whew, food stop, guys. We're in middle quarters in St. Elizabeth. I drink some peanut porridge. Shucks. Everybody else is in the back over there. So guys, I'm saying I'm gonna sleep me all of my pee, you know, for long, you know. I'll just get a little break, you know. Oh my god, I feel so good. Long time I feel so. Why you look like this?
Nobody.
Girl, you want something to eat?
Don't buy some fried dumpling.
Daddy, we want fried dumpling, please. You got ready? I would have run it down.
Uncle Junior. Never say Junior.
I'm bored. Oh, you still not understand.
How am I looking at it?
Ugly.
Oh, God.
Original. Lobster. Walrus. Zebra. Giraffe. Hippopotamus.
I never seen mine. I'm not carrying anything.
Me ready now?
Cover river.
Which one?
Right up. Never carry no food.
But wait. And that you forget.
I want clothes to carry, you know, so don't use it. My idiot, to carry one clothes. I want clothes.
So don't even your phone in a one case.
I'm gonna take it out.
You're not afraid of job. Say me for tell me say. We are going river, guys. Stop it, you're too extra. Like say, it's fresh air. It's not like, you understand? It's good for your lungs. No, Sally, go fast, go fast, go. We should have been rich, we not lie. I just scamming the can taking it. So what you can't just a bunch of people want to enter about walking.
Everybody needs that. See road that way walking Maka.
They're not able, but no able. Reach, guys, them claim to say. In a bush, but we are going river. Talk the truth now. Talk the very truth. Soji.
At the river.
We're at the river. Come on. Guys, Muddy put on a I borrow one blouse from my auntie. I'm Havana tights. But I swear, I didn't think it was this far, man. I walk go back in now. I'm not able. I feel like I got treasure on scene.
And the map.
And the map on the can't bother. Look, I'm left to the commenter. I forgot to tell nobody no out, yeah. I'm not able, you know. I'm not able no time, Nadia. No, girl. I never signed up for this, girl. I don't like this, and I don't like this. I just hear one screech. Come, Kiki, come. You don't want to be the one at the back. I bet you're in at the bigger girl. No, girl. The one at the back always get catch first. Come, Malik, walk up. Walk up, Malik. I would have for you. I would have. We don't come like come to me. But that's, you know. So this is the river where we walk from, guys. I don't know. But I'm not going at this.
You want to take it saying? Yeah, man.
I'm definitely not going at this.
We're not going.
No, this is not just a drive out. Because why not?
You know, maybe carrying there, people in my car. I know.
Man, I slide off and fly in there with your
5
phone.
minutes food on enough.
Just on you if you're going in there thing.
Afraid him deep, you know?
That's big. Okay, so this was a very futile trip. Never spell no sense, but we'll go back with him. Come and walk the fuck back. I was not finna do that at all. But the nature is wonderful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, you know? Jano.
Daddy blood in it.
No, sir. Now make Bob hear you say that. This one him instantly. At the drive out, it's the drive out for me. I never feel it. It's cold. Hungry, I know. Need for some pork. That's weird.
Yeah. I remember the run here.
Messi, did you always drop down before we reach?
I didn't reach no water.
Hey, that would ask, you know? Are you a cousin? That's all I have to say.
Sorry, bro.
I stick out, Uno. Stick out, Uno. Come drape us. Hold this. What not yet? That was a nice wash off at the river though. Yeah, we have to tell them, say, you know?
So we want to now come back to dry quick.
We'll come back, we'll dry.
We're not here, we are saying that.
Don't be a stalker. Just take your time. Slowly video. Make a 360. Go around. You might have to teach you, man. And then take your time. You're basically just showing everyone what it is like in the country. Yeah, tilt the camera the wrong way. Just hold it steady, right? Oh, guys, this is Cave Valley in. I will finish this again, Nakiki. In Hanover. Why may I tell everybody from Manhattan? What am I right? Am I wrong? Anyways, this is Cave Valley in Hanover. I'm tight, man. I'm always tight.
As we left river. See,
wow, you did say to have what?
No, me tell them it's a better have what now. As we left, so rain and off and
Rain don't fall and the army fall. I man and I get no worse brother.
You need to spend some time with him. Every single come on here, man, I can find something.
Cool.
Mine is happy when they just come up.
Mom, you ready to go?
Look who you choose to go on this side.
Make your auntie see you. Make your auntie see you. Alright. Look on it now. Fuck up in a chair for no reason at all. This hurt me.
Alright, them seven of the share number. But when we that share with
The family we want me fit bullshit or somebody. Hello, Twani. Take your finger out of your mouth. Them days they done. Take out your finger out of your mouth. Take it out. See how the driver look like him ready. He must tackle up. Okay guys, we're home. It is after 9. We never really make curfew time, but we made it back in one piece. It was a long ass drive, like it was so long. I am so tired. I was in and out of sleep the entire time. I was like dozing in and out. It was really good to see, you know, family and just be around everybody and have some downtime. It was fun. Can you guys believe we got all the way at the river and the river, it never, the water never did run, like, so the water is stagnant, and I was like, oh, I'm not going to that. I'm never going at it. The air out, as in being in the country, being in the cool, being in the space and, you know, not congested, it was so refreshing. But we're home. This is my first, like officially my first vlog of 2021. I want to give you guys more content this year, as I was telling you guys earlier, so I hope that you guys like this vlog. Guys, remember, there's no way I can know that you guys liked it if you don't thumbs up the video, right? Drop me a comment so that I know that you liked it also. And while you're at it, you can follow me on all my socials at Naturally Miss Toya, and that's Naturally Miss Toya on everything. So Naturally MSTOYA. And I'm on Snap, Insta, and Facebook, so I'm gonna have those links in the description bar if you guys want to follow me on there. If you're booking any services, info is in the description bar as well. I quickly did these, I think I had showed them to you guys earlier in the vlog, but in case I didn't, because I swear you guys know I have a choppy vlog problem. I just film what I want you guys to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. And until next time, stay naturally beautiful, guys. Bye.